This video is sponsored by English County, Mobile Master, Mohammadi Furniture, Taj Shahi, Newson Fabrics Clothes Store, Upolis Fashion Store, Shweta Dentistry, and by Edify International School.
Good afternoon, Gulbarga. Welcome to the eliminator match here, the KBN Premier League Season 2 between Santrashwadi Strikers and Station Eagles. We are already here at the KBN Turf Ground at the SCH campus. और सारी teams हमारे lineup हो चुके हैं. दोनों teams Santrashwadi Strikers as well as the Station Eagles and the match officials. So here we go. We will have the official team lineup and the song. Okay, Santrashwadi Strikers to call. Tails is the call. And tails it is. So Santrashwadi Strikers have won the toss. Mohsin, what are you going to do?
We will field first.
Field first. Okay, कोई particular reason field first करने की?
उनको कम स्कोर पे रिस्ट्रिक्ट करना चाहेंगे.
मिस्टर नोमन, अगर आप टॉस जीते तो क्या करते थे?
हम बैटिंग करने का विकेट उन्हें बैटिंग के लिए सूटेबल है फर्स्ट इनिंग के लिए. इंशाल्लाह हम बैटिंग करने का सोच रहे थे 140 प्लस. इंशाल्लाह हमारा शुरू फर्स्ट मैच से अब तक इतना भी था 140 प्लस.
All the very best. Thank you so much. So news from the middle is that the Santrashwadi Strikers have won the toss and they are bowling first.
The match is playing in between Santrashwadi Strikers versus Station Eagles. Already toss completed. Santrashwadi Strikers won the toss. They opted to field first. Oh, beautifully bowled. Is that the match? All start to celebrate. And it's a fast wicket. It seems to be Mohammad Azharuddin. Straying down the leg side. Wait for the umpire signal. Fielder beyond the ball. He can't get there. Oh, bowled him! Off stump has been tested out. Chandrasekhar Patil given himself room. Want to play that one on the offside. So Abdul Nawan comes out to the middle, plays that one to the coverage and ball running away to the boundary. Good start to the captain Abdul Nawan. Ball running all the way to the boundary for 4. Nicely flexed that one to the short point leg area. Fielder is down there. And misfilled by the fielder. Ball runs away into the boundary. Good shot. Nice flex that one. Nice tickle that one to the short point, deep point leg area. Second boundary to the Station Eagles team. Oh, bowled him! Cannon back onto the stumps. He dragged back onto the stumps. He cannot believe his luck. Srinivas Kanti. And this is a big body blow for the Station Eagles. Oh, he cuts it well. Ball beats the man at Peckham point, running away to the boundary. If this could go all the way, it does. First boundary to Harish JK. He cuts again. The result will be the same. This time it's even better shot.
लो फुल टॉस गेंद 3 बार कलायु के सारे बहुत ही नजाकत बड़ा स्ट्रोक निकलता हुआ मानो कि जैसे ही गेंद उनके बल्ले से निकली थी उस पर मोहर लगी थी 4 रनों के लिए. और इस बार पीछे हटकर गेंद को खेलने की कोशिश, स्टंप पर आती गेंद को बैक फुट पर जाकर कट करने की कोशिश में गेंद के लाइन से चूक गए. शॉर्ट गेंद 3 बार पीछे हटकर गेंद को उठाकर खेला और जबरदस्त कैच मिड विकेट के क्षेत्र में लिया जाता हुआ.
Chipped in the air, straight forward, cast to the bowler. What a spell of bowling by Mohsin. Good ball, bowled him. Fourth wicket, what a day Mohsin is having today. Oh, this is a tremendous bowling. Good ball, another wicket. It's a 5-wicket haul for Mohsin. And what a day he's having today. He placed that onto the onside. It's Eagles. And it went all the way. First six of this for the Station Eagles. Good ball. Outside as with the bat to go through the slip cotton. Is that go all the way? Yes, it does.
लगन गौड़े के लिए इस बार गेंद को उठाकर खेला, मिड विकेट के क्षेत्र में जाती गेंद, फील्डर दौड़ता हुआ नहीं रोक पाए और ये गेंद जा रही है मिड विकेट बाउंड्री के बाहर जाती हुई गेंद 4 रनों के लिए। ओ जबरदस्त यॉर्कर गेंद थी इस बार, गेंद को रोकना चाहते थे नहीं रोक पाए और गेंद जाकर स्टंप से टकराती हुई गेंद टीम के लिए लगता हुआ ये नवा झटका। ओ स्टंप पर आती हुई गेंद को ड्राइव लगाने की कोशिश में गेंद के लाइन से चूक गए और ये गेंद जाकर स्टंप से टकराती हुई गेंद। पूरी पारी यहां पर स्टेशन ईगल की समाप्त हो चुकी है। जीत के लिए टारगेट दिया है 101, 101 रनों का टारगेट।
So second innings start to resume. Station Eagles have really bundled out, mopped up, wrapped up by the Santraswadi Strikers for just only 100 runs on the board. The target for the Santraswadi Strikers 101 in 20 overs. A ball hits a biggie. It heals and it's out of the stadium. What a shot! Again, he wants to go that one. This time, wicketkeeper misses the ball. Ball goes behind the wicketkeeper into the boundary. By signal by the umpire. Ball him! The man with the golden arm has done the trick for the Station Eagles. Wicket number 2. Prashant Wadi. Nowhere near the ball. Just a single bat and then onto the stumps. In the air and into the gap again. Ball running away to the boundary, to the deep over area. It will go all the way to the boundary. Slow one, it's up in the air, miles up in the air, fielder underneath the ball, and he takes the catch. Wicket number 3. Oh, just a tickle to the bat and went to that one towards the deep and left position fielder. No chance for the fielder, went to the boundary.
और इस बार स्टंप पर आती हुई गेंद को पीछे हटकर गेंद को खेलने की कोशिश में गेंद जाकर स्टंप से टकराती हुई गेंद। ओ जबरदस्त गेंद थी, बिल्कुल स्टंप पर आती हुई गेंद को रोकना चाहते थे, गेंद को नहीं रोक पाए, गेंद के लाइन से पूरी तरह से चूक गए।
He goes high, fielder at extra cover, takes the catch, wicket number 7. Full toss ball, played that one in between the fielders. What a shot! That went like a bullet. That went like a rocket to the fence. Ball him! Wicket number 8. What a comeback by the bowler. Oh, it's a bunker out, it seems to me. Appeal. Really good presence of mind by Sharan Patil on that time. It's a Captain Mohsin. Is this could be the turning point of this match? Decision in the big dance. Out is the given by the umpire. Hold him! It's over. Sharan Patil is the man. Station Eagles into the qualifying number 2. And Santraswadi Strikers out of the tournament. Real great win for the Station Eagles. They win this match by 26 runs. They're defending only 100 runs on the board. The bowlers really bowled extremely well. They win this match by 26 runs. And Station Eagles is going to be played tomorrow against Market Super Kings in the qualifying number 2. And Santosh Suwadi strikers are really unhappy with that. They bowled well, but they did not bat well.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, now discussing about the man of the match. Man of the match, actually, it was very tough for us to discuss, but the KBN Premier League board decided to give 2 man of the matches today. Okay, so again a round of applause for the committee, because they are investing amount again. They are appreciating in front of the dignitaries for the young talent to come up. So round of applause for that. May now request Mr. Harish JK to kindly come for the man of the match. 21 runs, 25 balls, 2 fours, and especially 2 wickets. A round of applause. It's a cash award of rupees 2,500 from Khaja Bandha Nawaz Premier League, and a beautiful trophy handed over by the chief guest goes to Mr. Harish JK. And now discussing about the second man of the match, keeping a big heart by the KBN Premier League board. The man of the match goes to Lakhan Gowade. 27 runs, 17 balls, and 3 fours, and 1 six. A round of applause. A cash award of rupees 2,500 goes to Mr. Lakhan, and a beautiful trophy handed over by the chief guest. Mominpura Warriors can also contribute their claps. MSK Mill Titans also can contribute their claps and applauses to the presentation. And now, Mr. Lakhan, hand over your trophies and kindly come back. There's a special prize from Mr. Shahid Khadri all the way from Jeddah, an envelope of rupees 1,000 for the best batting, and as well as the 6 which you have given today. Congrats. May now call upon Mr. Lakhan and Mr. Harish to kindly come and take away the cash voucher of rupees 5,000 from Mobile Hub. You do need to share the prize. Can I request the chief guest to kindly hand over the cash voucher of rupees 5,000. Each of the man of the match gets rupees 2,500. It's a cash voucher. We especially thank Mobile Hub for taking the efforts and the money for appreciating the talent. May now request Mr. Lakhan to kindly come back again to receive the envelope of rupees 1,000 from MMK Currency Exchange Private Limited. I request the chief guest and the representatives to kindly hand over the envelope of rupees 1,000. You can all applaud. No restrictions. Let the claps keep coming. We have another contest from Bharat Honda where we give the cap for the most runs currently. Mr. Nauman gets the orange cap. I request the chief guest and the vice president sir to kindly come to this area and hand over the orange cap. This is a contest brought to you by Bharat Honda. Just to add a little feather to the cap, 240 runs in all the 8 matches of Khaja Bandha Nawaz Premier League Season 2. With such magnificent runs, he gets the orange cap for the most runs kindly.
Simply sitting in the office, I used to come here since last 1 week to meet Saheb ji. Then I came to know that such a wonderful ground is existing in our Gulbarga. I never seen, I worked in from Chamarajanagar to Bidar. I never seen such type of ground, because this is a, as we know, and everybody says since last decades, is a backward area. Who says it's a backward area? If somebody comes here, they will not understand this is a backward area, and they will not title that this is a backward area. If you see this, it looks like a green garden, or this is a Sydney ground. In this ground, you have good opportunities, and also you are also fortunate to perform a good performance here, because such type of grounds you will never find in any other part of the North Karnataka. For this, they have devoted like anything. They have prepared. They have done hard work, and they have surrendered everything to perform you and uplift some sports from North Karnataka, especially from Gulbarga. You have to make use of such opportunities not only in the sports but also in the every field, because you are all youngsters. I am also one of the fans of the cricket. In our days, in the year 1985 to 89, I used to play in the field, not in the ground. Nowadays, in the month of January and February, the fields will be open for everybody. That will be a big cricket ground for rural areas. You used to play in the rough areas, but never find such type of grounds. You are in a fortunate persons to have such type of ground, and you have to perform. You have to come out with a good result. Another day in the forthcoming days, one representative from Gulbarga should be there in the Indian national team and international team. Then only we will be happy that this kind of stadium is being used properly and utilized in a good manner. I congratulate you all for the next coming days. You will perform better. You participate in a different sports activities and also perform a good. And as I told, one or another day you should represent this Gulbarga in the national and the state and the international level. Then only we will be very happy. For this, I would like to thank one and all who have called me and facilitated me and given me an opportunity to speak some words. Thank you one and all.
Presented by KBN University and Megaspeed Broadband. Powered by Mobile Hub and Xiaomi. In collaboration with Hash Include. Media partner GoHash. Our associate sponsors include Shaheen Group of Institutions, Orbis International School, Sunrise Hospital, Max, Birla A1 Strongcrete Cement, AN Banquet, Javed Habib, Drishti Eye Care and Shehbaz Electricals.